Hey there, welcome back to our Try Me International channel. Today, I want to talk about something that has been on my mind for a while now. Why I decided to start my own business. It's a question I get asked a lot, and I thought it would be helpful to share my story and the reasons behind this big leap. So, if you're curious about why I chose to embark on this entrepreneurial journey, then keep watching. Before we dive into the reasons, let me give you a little background about myself. I've always been someone who craves independence and the freedom to pursue my passions. Working in a traditional 9-to-5 job just didn't align with my aspirations and goals. I wanted to create something of my own, where I could make an impact and have control over my own destiny. Reason number 1. Fulfilling my purpose. One of the main reasons I started my own business was to pursue my true purpose and passion. I believe that each of us has unique talents and gifts, and starting my own business allowed me to harness those strengths and use them to make a difference. It's incredibly fulfilling to wake up every day, knowing that I'm working towards something I deeply care about. Reason number 2. Freedom and flexibility. Being my own boss gives me the freedom to set my own schedule and work on my own terms. I can prioritize what matters most to me, whether it's spending time with my family, pursuing personal hobbies, or traveling the world. The flexibility that comes with running my own business has truly been a game changer in my life. Reason number 3. Financial independence. Starting my own business was a way for me to take control of my financial future. While the road to success can be challenging and uncertain, the potential for financial growth and stability is much higher when you're building something of your own. It's about creating multiple streams of income and building wealth in a way that isn't limited by a traditional job. Reason number 4. Making a difference. Having my own business allows me to have a direct impact on the lives of others. Whether it's providing employment opportunities, offering valuable products or services, or supporting causes I believe in, entrepreneurship has given me the platform to make a positive difference in my community and beyond. Reason number 5. Personal growth and learning. Starting a business is a constant learning experience. It challenges me to step out of my comfort zone, develop new skills, and grow as an individual. The journey has taught me resilience, adaptability, and the importance of embracing failure as a stepping stone to success. It's an incredible opportunity for personal and professional growth. So, there you have it, my reasons for starting my own business. Fulfilling my purpose, enjoying freedom and flexibility, achieving financial independence, making a difference, and experiencing personal growth were the driving forces behind this decision. Of course, entrepreneurship isn't for everyone, and it comes with its own set of challenges, but for me, it has been an incredibly rewarding and fulfilling journey. If you're considering starting your own business or have already taken the plunge, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. It's Try Me International.